This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can switch the shooting preset on this device. So first you will need to, open your camera view or simply take the action pod. Then inside the app, you will need to swipe either to the left or to the right from the middle of your screen, like that. Then switch to preset, and now you can select between skiing, biking, outdoors, vlog, or Starfield video presets. As you can see, here you can also create custom ones or edit the names of existing presets, as you can see. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.